Identify the side of the ServoU. The bottom two compartments are for the battery. Use any open compartment. Make sure to save that compartment piece. Insert the EBM module. When the EBM module is inserted, the screen will go to the esophageal positioning screen. Attach the esophageal balloon to the ventilator. Note the positioning of the stopcocks. Here, Pete is attaching a 10 ml syringe, turning the stopcock so it's open from the syringe to the balloon, inserting 6 ml of air in and 2 ml of air out, then turning the stopcock so it's closed to the syringe and open to the vent and the balloon. If the screen did not change to the esophageal view, click on Views and then select that option. Now we're going to perform the occlusion test. Click on Maneuvers and select PES catheter positioning. Wait for the expiratory hold to occur and then push down with a consistent pressure on the center of the chest. The ServoU will automatically calculate the result. It should be between 0.8 and 1.2. The gold standard of esophageal positioning is the chest X-ray. The balloon, which appears as a small square, should be just below the carina and above the heart. Now we're going to find the transpulmonary peep. Hit the record button on the top right-hand side of the screen, then perform the expiratory hold. Once the recording is complete, hit the stack symbol at the top right-hand of the screen, choose the recordings, and scroll to where the expiratory hold has occurred. You should see PEEP, esophageal pressure, and transpulmonary pressure. Ideally, the transpulmonary PEEP is between 0 and 5 centimeters of water. Here, Pete is matching the esophageal pressure, changing the PEEP to 15 and recording and performing another expiratory hold. You can see that the transpulmonary PEEP is 0 after the PEEP change. The ServoU will dynamically show you what the transpulmonary PEEP and plateau are on the side of the screen. However, for the best results, we want static measurements. That's why we still perform the expiratory and inspiratory holds. By matching the esophageal pressure, we can see how the lung is not being collapsed anymore and is slowly being recruited. Now we'll find the transpulmonary plateau. Record and perform an inspiratory hold. Here, you can see that our plateau pressure is 31, which normally indicates overdistension. However, by taking into account the esophageal pressure, our transpulmonary plateau is 16, which is still within safe ventilation parameters. Our transpulmonary plateau should be less than 20 centimeters of water. Once complete, deflate the balloon and detach from the ventilator.